Okay, ma'am. Now everyone turn on your camera and open your notebook, open the question answers of the chapter The Adventure. Is it open?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone has opened? Okay. So today we revise this question answers and we learn that question answers. Okay. Because on Monday there will be your weekly test of that chapter. Clear? So the first, that is, now here is Ayush 3293.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ayush, now you read the first question and answer also, and then after explain.
What is
And other
Professor
question.
Gaitonde's state of mind when the story begins? Answer. When the
Is
story begins, Professor Gaitonde's mind is in the past. He is traveling by Jijamata Express from Pune to Bombay. He has planned to visit a library in connection with a lecture he has to deliver. He would return to Pune to have a long walk with Rajendra Deshpande to help him understand what had happened.
yes. The question is, what is Professor Gandonde state of mind when the story begins? Okay, when the story begins, then what is the state of mind of Professor Gandonde? Yes, Ayush, now you explain it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when story begins, the Professor Gaitonde mind is in past, and Professor Gaitonde is traveling by the train whose name is Jijamata Express from Pune to Bombay, and he has planned to visit the library uh, in Bombay,
Yes,
and he
on
has
where?
to deliver a lecture there,
Yeah.
and, and he would return to Pune to have a long walk with Rajendra Deshpande
Hmm.
to help him understand what has happened.
Okay. Now you all of you learn this answer within a minute. Not learn, but you everyone read this answer. You all of you within a minute. Everyone, every students read this answer. There should be some lips movement from your side. Which one I see? रिंशुल कैमरा ऑन करो अपना. Okay, it's learned. It's learned, everyone.
Yes,
It's learned to everyone. Okay, now the next question. That is, how does Gangote mind go to the past? Rishika, you read the answer of this question.
Yes, ma'am. Professor Katonde was to deliver a lecture on the Battle of Panipat. In this battle, Maratha had lost and Ahmad Shah Abdali had won. Now, Professor Katonde was thinking if Marathas had won the war, the course of Indian history would have been different. But 2 days before the lecture, he met with an accident with a truck. He became unconscious, but his mind remained active. It went to the past and
Yes, can you explain it?
Ma'am, Professor
Rishika, can you?
Professor Katonde
Yes.
was to deliver a lecture on the Battle of Panipat. In this, in this battle, Maratha had lost and Ahmad Shah Abdali had won. Now Professor Katonde is thinking that Maratha has won the course of history, but have been different. Before 2 days, when he had to deliver the lecture, he met with an accident. So he became unconscious, but his mind remained active, and he went to past and
Wondering there. Okay. Okay. So now other students, you all read this answer from your notebook and learn it within a minute. Be quick. You have to only read the answer and understand that. Don't cram. Okay? Means now here the question is, how does Gangote mind go to the past? Means Gangote का mind past में कैसे गया? Because the Professor Gangote was to deliver a lecture on the Battle of Panipat. As we know, Professor Gangote was a historian, and so that he delivered the lecture on the Battle of Panipat. And according to him, he was thinking if the Maratha had won the war, then it become the somehow different things. And the later before that thinking, he met with an accident with the truck, and then after his mind become a unconscious mind, and his body that is lay down, but his mind is very active, and he went to the past and remained wandering there. Okay, you everyone read the answer of these questions 1 to 2 times and learn it. Okay, done. It's learned. Is it learned to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Only one student giving the response. Okay, now that's all. Now the next turn for Anmol Guleria. Anmol Guleria, you did the third question.
Yes, ma'am. First read the Professor Gaitonde to gift at the Azad Maidan. At the Azad Maidan, Professor Gaitonde noticed that a lecture was going on. People were coming and going, but the professor took no notice of it. He kept on the looking intently at the platform where an unoccupied chair was lying. The seat of unoccupied chair on the platform stared him to death. He swiftly moved towards the chair and occupied it.
And occupied it. Okay. Now in this question, what steered Professor Ganguly to the depth of the Azad Maidan? Okay. So the answer is, at the Azad Maidan, Professor Ganguly noticed that a lecture was going on. On that Azad Maidan, there was a lecture which was going on, and the people was coming and going on there, but the professor took no notice of it. Clear? And he kept on looking intently at the platform. Then suddenly, Professor Ganguly, looking at the platform where an unoccupied chair was laying. Okay? Then the Ganguly intently looking at the platform where he saw an unoccupied chair was laying there, and the sign was the unoccupied chair of the platform stared him to the depth, that unoccupied chair. Okay, and he swiftly moved towards the chair and occupied it. Then after, Ganguly swiftly moved to that chair and sit down on that chair, and he occupied on that chair. Clear? That's from the stair depth at the Azad Maidan. Clear? I hope all these questions are clear to all of you. Now you read. Now you read, everyone. Or learn it. Be quick. Hurry up. Yes. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
It's learned? Okay. Now the next question. That is read by Ishita Katoj.
How did the audience react when Professor Gaitonde occupied the vacant chair at the Azad Maidan?
Yes.
When Professor Gaitonde occupied the vacant chair, the speaker was too shocked to continue his speech. He stopped in mid-sentence. The audience shouted to vacate the chair. The professor tried to argue, but they were in no mood to listen. But he continued talking. The audience then threw tomatoes, eggs, and other things on him. Finally, they lifted him bodily and threw him down the platform. Thus, the audience reacted violently.
Yes. What did the audience react when Professor Ganguly occupied that vacant chair at the Azad Maidan? Okay. What happened on there? When the Ganguly occupied on that vacant chair. When the Professor Ganguly occupied that vacant chair, the speaker was too shocked and continued his speech. Okay, that speaker who delivered the lecture on that platform, that person was too shocked and he was continued to his speech. And then he stopped in mid-sentence. That person who lectured on the, who delivered lecture on that platform. And the audience shouted to vacate the chair, and the professor tried to argue, means that Professor Gangote tried to argue, and there is no mood to listen. And on that audience, on that people, they had no mood to listen him. And then that audience threw eggs, tomato, and so many other things at on the Professor Gangote. Okay? Finally, they lifted his body and threw him down the platform. Thus, the audience reacted violently. Okay, on that time, on that situations, the audience on that platform react violently. Clear? Now this question is clear? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
give me response.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shivansh. Shivansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you read the next question. The lack of determinism in quantum theory. Yes, Shivansh. Yes. Any problem? No. Okay, Rinshul. Now you.
Yes, ma'am. According to the quantum theory, we can't determine the exact state of an electron after it has been fired. It can be only in one state at one given time. Thus, we can say that the quantum theory lacks determinism.
Yes, that's all. Rinshul, that's all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other students? No. So, to all of you, I'm giving you 10 minutes. Okay? And within these 10 minutes, everyone have learned all these 5 questions right now. Okay? On this class. Everyone learn this. After 10 minutes, I will ask questions to you, and then after you give me the answers in oral form. Clear? Now I am giving you 10 minutes. And you everyone learn all these 5 questions. Hurry up. Be quick. Be fast. Now you everyone learn this. Shahid, Shivansh, Kritika Kapoor, Sagar. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. I am seeing your lips movement. How many students have learned or not? जब भी लर्न करते हो या रीड करते हो अपनी लिप्स मूवमेंट शो किया करो एंड डायरेक्टली मतलब बोल कर पढ़ा करो। अनमोल रिचुअल कैमरा ऑन करो। Where is Srijan and Ansh? Okay, Ansh is there. Hurry up, be fast. Hurry up, be quick. अनमोल लर्न कर ले। Hurry up, learn fast. Yes, be fast. 5 minutes left. Hurry up. Done? Is it done? Hurry up, be quick. Okay. Okay. Now your time is over. Your time is over. Now you everyone close your notebook. Okay. Okay. The first question for Vanshika Katoch. Vanshika Katoch, now you give me the answer. How does Gangote mind go in the past?
Professor Gaitonde was
How does,
Professor
just wait. Just wait, Vanshika. Firstly, close your eyes.
Yes, ma'am.
And now, you give me the answer.
Professor Gaitonde was to deliver a lecture on Battle of Panipat. In this battle, Maratha had lost and Ahmad Shah Abdali had won. Now, Professor Gaitonde was thinking if Marathas had won, then the course of Indian history would have been different. But 2 days before the lecture, he met with an accident with truck. He became unconscious, but his mind remained active. It went to the past and remained wandering there.
Very good. Good, Vanshika. Good. Now you learn the next one. And the same question for Anmol Guleria. Anmol Guleria.
Yes, ma'am.
The same question for you. Firstly, you close your eyes and then give me the answer. How does Gangote mind go to the past?
No, I am learning, ma'am.
What?
No, I am learning, ma'am. Second question.
Now you are learning, not learn.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anyway, now you learn it. After 2 minutes, I will ask the same questions to you. Learn it quickly.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
now Ansh 3301.
Yes, ma'am.
Your picture is not visualized. Anyway, now you give me the answer. What did the audience react when the Professor Gangote occupied the vacant chair at the Azad Maidan?
Ma'am, when Professor Gaitonde occupied the vacant chair, the speaker was too shocked to continue his speech. He stopped in the mid-sentence. The audience shouted to vacate the chair. The professor began to argue, but the crowd was no mood to listen, but he continued talking. The audience then threw tomatoes and other things at him. Finally, they lifted him bodily and threw him down the platform. Thus, the audience reacted violently.
Very good. Okay, very good, very good. Very good. Now, the same question for Ishita Katoch.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you close your eyes and give me the answer.
The audience was shocked when Professor Gaitonde took the vacant chair. The speaker stopped his speech in the mid. The Professor Gaitonde started to argue with the people, but the people were in no mood to listen. They started to throw some tomatoes on the eggs that were in their hands, but the arguing was there. Then they forcefully took him and placed him into the platform. This is how the audience reacted.
Okay, Ishita, good effort, but you learn it properly. Okay, it's a good effort, but to try more. Okay, okay. Now the next question, that is for Ayush. Ayush.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you give me the answer of first question. What is the Professor Gangote's state of mind when the story began?
Yes, ma'am.
What is Professor Ganguly's state of mind when the story begins?
Ma'am, when story begin, Professor Gaitonde's mind is in the past. He is traveling by Jijamata Express from Pune to Bombay. He has also planned to visit a library in connection with a lecture which he has to deliver, and
Yes.
he would return to Pune to have a long walk with Rajendra Deshpande to help him understand what had happened.
What had happened? Okay. Okay, now Rinshul Chaudhary, 3288. बहुत कम स्टूडेंट्स ने आज क्लास लगाई, बहुत कम. Very bad. Okay. Now Rishika,
Yes, ma'am.
Rishika, the same question for you. What is Professor Ganguly's state of mind when the story begins?
Yes, ma'am. When the story began, the professor got a mind in his past. He was traveling in the train from Pune to Mumbai by Jijamata Express. He is planned to go to the library because he has to read something about the lecture he had to deliver. But before 2 days of the lecture, he had an accident with the truck. His mind became unconsciousness and his mind remained active, but he became unconscious and he was wandering here and his mind was wandering here and there. But at the end, from the long walk, he found the Mr. Rajendra Deshpande to help him understood what happened.
What had happened? Okay. Okay. Now the last question, that is again for Vanshika Katoch. The lack of determinism in quantum theory.
According to quantum theory, light is consisted of very tiny particles. These particles behave like a wave